Airport. Boarding pass. Passport. Luggage. Airplane. Security check. Pilot. Flight attendant. Departure. Aisle seat. Window seat. Layover. Arrival. Immigration. Visa. Baggage claim. Airport.
We arrived at the airport 2 hours before our flight.
Luggage.
She packed her luggage for a long trip.
Boarding pass.
Please show your boarding pass at the gate.
Passport.
You need a passport to travel to another country.
Airplane.
The airplane is flying high in the sky.
Security check.
You must go through security check before boarding.
Pilot.
The pilot announced that we will land soon.
Flight attendant.
The flight attendant gave me a glass of juice.
Window seat.
I like the window seat because I can see the clouds.
Aisle seat.
He chose an aisle seat for easy access.
Departure.
Our flight departure is at 10 a.m.
Layover.
I have a 2-hour layover in Paris.
Arrival.
His arrival time is 3 p.m.
Immigration.
She showed her passport at immigration.
Visa.
I got a visa to visit the United States.
Baggage claim.
Let's pick up our suitcase at baggage claim.